If you want to use circle to search on POCO F8 Pro or POCO F8 Ultra, then what you can do is you can press and hold the home button if you use 3 buttons for navigation, and hold for like a second in order to activate circle to search, this Google overlay. And if you use the gesture navigation, then you will have to press and hold the navigation bar that you have at the bottom of the screen, and you will also have to hold for like a second or maybe 2. So once we have this Google circle to search overlay, then you should be able to, for example, draw, well, any shape around the subject that you want to look for in Google. As you can see, I immediately got the Google search results. Also, you can see that we have these white corners, so we can use it in order to adjust the area if needed, if it was selected incorrectly. Besides that, most of the time you can also just tap on the image or on the text in order to immediately select it, so sometimes you don't have to draw anything at all. If the selected area has a text, then we can also select the text, we can share it, or we can create something by using Gemini. Now, besides that, of course, we can keep tapping on different stuff in order to, for example, change the selected area quite quickly, but this is how it looks like. Now, besides that, what you can also do with circle to search is we can use these additional options at the bottom. More precisely, what is worth mentioning is this option over here, this music icon. Which is the music recognition. So if there's like a song being played in the background and you wish to know the title of that song, then you can use this feature to search for that song, and you will get Google search results with the artist and the title of that song. And besides that, we also have screen translation, so we can use this translate icon. The language will be automatically detected, but in case it is incorrect, then of course you can change that. And we also have the target language, so you can choose to what language you want to translate. So let's say I'm gonna choose French in this case, and there we go, the screen has been translated, and we can still use circle to search if you want to quite easily. And I believe, at least in the future, we should be able to scroll down in order to have the screen translated, and you know, keep scrolling to keep going with the translation. But it seems that in this case, at least, it is still not really possible to do so. Or at least I didn't figure it out for some reason. But yeah, technically it should be possible at one point. Perhaps in the future it will be added. And of course, one more thing that I have to mention is how to enable and disable circle to search, because if it's, for example, deactivated, then you might need to go to settings and open home screen, and then over here we have system navigation. For buttons, you need to tap on the press and hold home button in order to check if circle to search is on or if you want to disable it. And for gestures, it is press and hold full screen indicator, which is of course this navigation bar at the bottom. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.